we've been on the project for 2 weeks now, and we have been so flat at it that I haven't really had much of a chance to do the tutorials. I have done a couple of tutorials and I'll post them later, but so far, working on the Harrison Butler, we have reamed all the seams out, taken the caulking out, completely stripped the inside of the hull and just about fully primed it. We're fair above the waterline, and we're going to undercoat that next. It'll be next week, and then I think probably at the end of next week there's no reason not to recork it. I discovered a very interesting thing yesterday. We had found a photo of the Seven Seas, and something struck me as a little odd. So we referred to Harrison Butler's plans, and it appears that the cabin was altered maybe in the 60s or 70s to make it bigger, gave it a bit more headroom, and took it out a couple of frames. So we referred to Harrison Butler's drawings, and we're going to reinstate the original cabin as it was designed by him. So that will be an interesting project to do.